Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
One of the most effective, and I can say it is the most interesting topic na maaari natin pag-usapan by this time. Just stay in this video at after mag-finish nitong video, i-make sure ko sa'yo na magiging great ang approach mo regarding dito sa breakup. At kahit gaano pa katagal ang breakup nyo, kahit 1 year or 2 years na kayong hiwalay, it doesn't matter. It can still work as long as you will do this. Alright? So, let's get right into it. Ano ba ang tinutukoy ko? Ito ang isa sa mga pinaka-effective na ways para ma-miss ka at masabik sa'yo ang ex mo. Ito yung tinatawag kong non-aggressive. Parang nonchalant. Yan nga yung mga jokes ngayon sa opisina, di ba? Nonchalant. But here's the thing. All I'm talking about is about the toughness in you. Yung pagiging tough, yung pagiging matibay mo. I know what happened. During the breakup, nadurog ka, nagpakita ka ng mga signs na you are weak, which is, that's fine. You're just a human being after all. Nagpakita ka ng mga signs na ikaw ay weak. Ang problema lang kasi, no, nagpakita ka ng signs na ikaw ay weak, nagpakita ka rin ng mga signs na talagang sobrang needy mo. Yung pagiging weak mo, normal lang yung tao ka lang eh. Kumbaga, kung, di ba, kung mapaso ka ng mainit na tubig, masasaktan ka. Same thing din sa breakup, Diyos ko naman. Kahit naman ako bilang coach base, kung makaranas ng breakup, masasaktan din naman ako. Ang ibig ko sabihin, ganun talaga, may pain talaga. Talagang masasaktan ka. Pero, ang wag na wag mong, never mong, pinaka-warning sign ko na wag mong i-express o ipaparamdam sa kanya is yung pagiging needy mo. Yung gusto mo pa. Yung parang gusto mong humabol, gusto mong maging kayo ulit. And that is really the thing that will destroy you the most or will distract you at all. And probably, you are going to think na paano yan? Napakita ko na needy ako. Or paano ko ba itatago to? Kasi ang hirap naman. Kailangan ko magpakatotoo, di ba, coach? Kailangan kong malaman niya na kailangan ko siya. And that is the problem. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi na niya gustong maramdaman mo na kailangan mo siya sa buhay mo. Ayaw nating yun yung maramdaman niya. Kasi pag yun yung naramdaman niya, automatic turn off yan. Bakit siya na-turn off sa'yo? Dahil ba nung sinabi mong need mo siya, is na-disappoint siya sa'yo? No, hindi siya na-disappoint sa'yo nung sinabi mong need mo siya. Ang nangyari nun, nung sinabi mong need mo siya, pinataas mo yung ego niya, pinid mo yung pride niya, to the point na nilagay mo siya sa posisyon, nilagay mo siya sa trono. Ang tawag doon is validation. At dahil doon sa validation, na-maximize mo yung validation na yun, at feeling niya ngayon, he or she owned the throne. And now, wala ka ng thrill. Parang game ng Super Mario. Tapos ka na, boy. Tapos ka na, girl. Wala na siyang balak laruin ka kasi you are finished. Wala ka ng thrill. Natapos na niya yung buong game. It is just the game of you. It's not about the relationship. It's all about his ego. It's all about her ego. It's all about him. It's all about her. Doon lang umiikot to. And that is why this is the best counter. Kung gusto mo talagang manabik sa'yo ang ex mo in a very non-aggressive way na hindi ka magmumukhang tanga. Just so, you know, napaka-simple lang nito pero this is the hardest thing to say. Just show some toughness. Don't back down. Kapag pinakitaan ganyan ng breakup, treat it as a boxing fight na kailangan mong manalo sa breakup. Hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan mo ang overall na sinasabi kong show some toughness. Pero ang ibig ko lang sabihin is you need to win the breakup. You need to show your ex na you can beat him or her during this time of breakup. Kaya mong mangibabaw, kaya mong manalo, at kaya mong maging masaya. Ganito ang mga keys para masabi mong ikaw ang panalo sa breakup. Number 1, mas willing kang magkaroon ng breakup kaysa sa kanya. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin when we show toughness. Kapag pinakita mo na tough ka, okay, break up tayo, nasaktan ako, pero mas game ako. Kung i-challenge mo ang pride ko, di ipapakita ko sa'yo kung gaano ako ka-pride. Show some toxicness. Sasabihin nyo sa akin, Coach Base, napaka-toxic mo, napaka-toxic mo. Eh, hindi ka na mahal eh. Hindi ka na gusto eh. Hindi ka na niya trip. Ano pa ipapakita mo? And then show some toxicness. Kapag nagpakita ka ng pagiging toxic mo, ipapakita mo yung pride mo, ipapakita mo yung ego mo. Willing siya sa breakup, ipakita mo mas willing ka. Alam nyo, it's a battle of reverse psychology. Maybe you don't understand it too much kasi masyadong hindi general ang advice ko. It's a very psychological thing. Kaya nga psychology eh. Kasi napaka-misteryoso ng advice. Hindi lahat alam to. Ikaw lang ang nakakaalam na kailangan mo lang siyang i-reverse. Kasi sa totoo lang, your ex is full of her or his ego right now. Feeling langit na yung ex mo eh. Paano mo siya tatalunin? Eh, yung validation, binigay mo na lahat eh. Ngayon, feeling mo, nagpapakasaya siya sa bago niya. Sige lang. Pakita mo kung willing siyang makahanap ng bago, ipakita mo sa kanya na mas willing ka na makahanap siya ng bago. Show some toughness. Never back down. Huwag mong aatrasan yung laban. Eto pa pangalawa, ipakita mo mas masaya ka at you should mean it. Back it up. Hindi pwedeng fake-fake lang. Ako, happy ako, masaya ako. Hindi lang pwedeng puro post. Dapat deep inside nararamdaman mo talaga. No matter what, kung nakikita ka man niya o hindi ka niya nakikita, dapat nafe-feel mo na masaya ka. You feel that you are happy than your ex. You should do that. And for a amount of time, I swear, it will work. It's very non-aggressive, but it's more reversal. It's non-aggressive, I know. Hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive yung technique. But it is super effective. Because you are learning from the dating coach. And right now, that is the best technique that you can do. I know. You want some other options aside from non-aggressive. Gusto mo rin maging aggressive. But why don't you try to be aggressive? Tingnan natin kung mag-work. Kapag hindi nag-work ang pagiging aggressive mo, baka pagsisihan mo yon bandang huli. At ito ang bagay na hindi mo pagsisisihan. When you show some toughness and self-respect, ito yung ikikrave nila. Kasi feeling nila, hindi nila natapos yung game. Gusto nila ng thrill. Ang mangyayari ngayon, hahabulin ka ulit at mamimiss ka ulit. Eh di win-win situation tayo, nonchalant ka lang, pero ang ending, ikaw ang panalo. But if you want to get your ex back and having a professional advice na kailangan mo, then give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach. Wanna talk? Okay, let's talk.